Hi there, thank you very much for inviting us to the Campus Fab 3D Experience Machining Event 2023. Really impressed. Thank you so much for inviting us. We'd like today to discuss Kyocera SGS and our involvement with you guys. We are the American arm of Kyocera, so we're SGS. We provide solid carbide round tooling for the aerospace, airframe, medical sector and general engineering industries. We're based, the parent company is based in Ohio, where we produce 7,000 solid carbide tools a day and 1,600 drills roughly a day. We are based in UK at the Wokingham office. So at that site there, we do specials, modifications, and the high performance solid carbide round tooling. Today, the summary of this presentation is roughly we're going to be looking at strategies which are used within CATIA from the V5 version you're seeing here now, which is your standard approach to roughing, to newer methods which we're seeing the last few years using the dynamic roughing, concentric roughing. Now we've moved on from that, and a lot of aerospace companies now using your software, looking at the 3D experience version, where we actually ramp down and we do a dynamic zigzag roughing with our APR. So this example we're showing you here is an aluminium pocket. So we're showing you the most efficient way that you can produce that pocket. And the benefits of that is we're actually going to show you, come up, yes, here we go, where we look at the strategies within the software. We go to radial, and there's a new contour pass for each pass. We helped you develop that. We worked with you guys. It was great. There's good collaboration. We've now incorporated it so it improves the cutting strategy. It used to look like this, and a lot of the customers watching now will remember this and go, yeah, it's great. You create a curtain wall effect. But when the finishing tool goes around, it causes problems. In this example, you can see on a Makino, we're roughing the pocket out using that strategy. Really quiet sounding tool. In a second, you will see 18 seconds, but what we're looking for, that's what you used to create in V5. But using that method, you get full engagement, even wear, less spindle shock, more stable walls. Most importantly, faster cycle time. It's all about. And with that new improved, we call it on V5, you put it as on the fly, but it's the new strategy, much more important. And then this example here, which we like, using 3DX. So, and this is a 5-axis pocket, but you start off with 3-axis. You look down the bottom, 0, 0, 1, it's in a 3-axis mode. But as it goes into the corner of that pocket, you'll suddenly see the tool tip. There you go. All one strategy within the software. Superb. And I'm not going to go into too much detail, but basically we can adjust the amount that tool is protected with the holder against that deep wall. So when you're doing deep pockets, you don't need to have a long tool to go down there now. You can use a slimline type chuck, treat fit with a small diameter carbide. Good cost saving, great software, good idea. Nice little example of roughing. Starting down to depth. Really fast metal removal. This is the APR4, variable pitch, variable helix, really quiet. Most sound is the swarf. You can't really hear the cut. It's a spindle. That's a nice example. Now I'm going to pass you on to João to talk about barrel tools.
Thank you, Ray. I'm João Alves, a senior European applications engineer. The barrel tool, I mean, is our key. The key benefits of the barrel tool is utilizing the dynamic contact points, so you can utilize the cutting edge, such as for deep pockets and complex shapes. As you can see here on the vertical walls and taper walls, you can use up to 1.5 millimeters. radius. And moving on. Okay. So we're going to have a quick insight in terms of how the barrel tool perform on a cobalt chrome part. As you can see, the barrel cutter enables a great step over with the same cusp height. Okay, so he's pretty much here, he's utilizing, I would say, 80% of the cutting edge. So as he's working upwards, okay, the contact point, or as rolling around the component, is changing his contact point. So the great benefit there is tool life. And the cycle. He is using rolling in terms of the software, using 3D experience. Okay, so that's the great benefit. So yeah, cycle time is key on a process. Okay, well, here you've got our contact. Please feel free to contact us. We will be happy to help you. It's been a great pleasure to participate in this event, and thank you very much.
Thank you very much.